end of the year. And that always brings about moments of um, going over in your mind the good things that have happened in the year, and also taking a look at possibilities for the new year. And this year has not been the normal year, and we have gone through some things this year. But you know what? God is good. He takes care of you, and He brings sunshine to you all the time. And you just have to have your eyes open so you can see it. Now, you know what? This morning, and I'm an early bird. This morning I was up and moving around, and the doorbell rang. And when I went to the doorbell, you will never guess. It was one of the young people from our church, and they were going around spreading Christmas cheer. And it was just so sweet. And they brought a plant and brought a poinsettia, absolutely beautiful, and I'll show it to you. And it just made my day. What a bright and cheerful way to start the day. We have been so blessed, and because of the pandemic, we haven't been together as a church family because, well, number one, we're African American, and number two, there's large groups just aren't happening, or shouldn't be anyway, and because we're trying to keep each other safe. And so because of that, I'm sure it's been quite a challenge for our pastor and his staff to keep the church together, to keep those of us who are most vulnerable, to help keep us safe, and yet and still keep our minds focused on those things that are most important. So let me say to you, and let me say to them, thank you, because around every corner, I can see God at work. Whether it's working with the missions, doing things for the youth, whether it's our senior organization that we have at church, doing little things and little touches and things just to make us smile, whether it's a phone call, whether it's a card. It doesn't matter what it is. It's just that we're able to know that we're in touch with each other. And I thank my pastor for being able to do that. He's a caring person, and he has put together a staff of people that are caring. And so because of that, they're always coming up with fun things to do. And so I am very grateful to them for just blessing us around every corner. And so today is going to be all about the holiday. Now, the true reason for the season is about the birth of Christ and the fact that our Father loved us enough to give us His Son. And what a wonderful gift. You can't top that, And we are blessed by the presence of Christ in our life. Now, this little guy over here, babies love him, love Santa, love the idea of Santa and the magic of Santa. And it really takes for us to grow up before we're able to see that Santa really is all about love. And it's the love of the people who are trying to keep that magic going for the children. And so I think I'm going to spend my time following the star. Now, I hope you'll excuse the light, but here is our beautiful poinsettia that we got from our young people from church. It is absolutely gorgeous. And as you can see, it's a very sunny day. And I am so excited and so encouraged. I'm going to show you some absolutely gorgeous houses that have decked their halls with holiday cheer. And so I'd like to take you with me. So stay tuned. My tradition is to go out and to look at the beautiful homes in our neighborhood. And you know what? It's so much fun. So I have my hot chocolate, and it's going to take me about an hour and a half to go through the neighborhoods and see the lovely homes. So I'm just giving you a smattering of what I saw and those that really stood out. So fasten your seatbelts. I don't know if I can get the full effect of this house, but it sits on a corner and we're kind of looking at it from the back, and then we'll go around to the front. And here's the front. Is that not beautiful? They've done a really nice job with their home. Now, while I'm not really a Tim Burton fan, I thought this was kind of cute. I guess their kids love it. Kind of a mixture of holidays. Now, I thought this was so cool. There are 3 houses. There's one in the middle that's kind of in there, but not really a part of what the rest have done. And there's 2. And actually there's 4 houses, because then there's one more. And they have really done a very nice job on their homes. Very pretty, very festive. Our community hosts a Christmas Deck the Halls every year. And my favorite thing is to be able to go through the neighborhoods and see all of the entries and all of the hard work that people have put into decorating their homes. Well, the irony of it is that a couple of neighborhoods over from us, I mean, you could see the glow. So when I turned in to their particular section, besides the glow, I was amazed because when I got to the top of the neighborhood, there's a circle, and the circle was lit up with Christmas lights, the entire circle. And then as you got behind the circle, you were able to see the winner, which was one of the winners. We had 3 families that had won. And this particular family decked their halls, and it is absolutely amazing. So I could not get past without showing you their house. Well, this is fantastic.
Thank you.
Wow.
Glad you like it.
I think everybody in the whole neighborhood needed this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we're headed home.